Welcome everyone. In today's lesson, I would like to teach you about adding improper fractions and mixed numbers. So let's start. If you don't know or don't remember the basic rules about adding fractions with the same or different denominators, please come back to my previous lesson and then you can review and or learn all the rules there. Today I want to move on. So let's start. 2/3 plus 3/4 equals. We can see that the denominators are not the same, so we have to start from making them the same. Let's multiply them together. 3 times 4 equals 12. So 12 goes here as our new denominator. And then what happened with 3? 3 multiplied by 4, so 2 times 4 as well. 2 times 4 equals 8. 4 multiplied by 3, so 3 multiplied by 3 as well, and then I've got 9. And then 12 stays as a denominator, 8 plus 9 equals 17. So we've got 17 over 12. 17 over 12 is an improper fraction. But first, let's check whether we can simplify 17 and 12 by something. But 17 is divisible by 1 and 17 only, and 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So there is no common factor. So I can move to converting it to a mixed number straight away. So first, how many 12s into 17? We know that 12 plus 12 is 24, so there is only one 12 in 17. So we write big number 1 there. And then copy the 12 as a denominator, so 12 stays here. Then 12 times 1 equals 12. We had 17 before, so 17 minus 12 equals 5. So 5 is the remainder, and the remainder stays as our new numerator. So then 17 over 12 is equal to 1 and 5 twelfths. So 17 over 12 is an improper fraction, and 1 and 5 twelfths is a mixed number. Okay, another example. 5 over 6 plus 7/8. We know that 6 times 8 is 48, but I want to use the lowest common multiple here. So the lowest common multiple for 6 and 8 is 24. So 24 goes here as our common denominator. And again, how many 6's to make 24? I need 4 6's, so 5 times 4 as well. 5 times 4, 20. How many 8's to make 24? 3. So 7 times 3 as well. 7 times 3, 21 equals. We keep 24. 20 plus 21 equals 41. And again, we've got 41 over 24. This is an improper fraction. I can't simplify 41 and 24 again, so let's convert it to a mixed number. How many 24s into 41? Of course 1, because 24 plus 24 equals 48. So I can't put 2. So 1 goes as a big number. We copy 24 as the denominator, and again 24 times 1 equals 24. 41 minus 24 is 17. One more thing. If you haven't done the simplification here, and you can see that the fractional part here can be simplified, you can still do it. So either here or there, but nothing changed. 17 and 24 can't be simplified or divided by the same number. So 1 and 17 over 24 is the simplest form of the answer. Okay, now is your turn. As usual, I want to give you an example to have a go independently. So 3/5 plus 4/9. You can pause the video here, try to do it independently, and then compare your method and your answer with mine. Have a go. Okay. 5 times 9 equals 45. So 45 is our new denominator. Then 5 times 9, so 3 times 9 as well. This gives me 27. Then 9 times 5, so 4 times 5. 4 times 5 equals 20. So 20 here. We keep 45 as the denominator. 27 plus 20 equals 47. Again, an improper fraction. 47 over 45. Again, I can't simplify it, so let's check how many 45 goes into the 47. Oh, of course, there is only one 45 here, and then 1 times 45, 45, 47 minus 45 equals 2, so 2 is the remainder. Hopefully you had the same answer. Okay, but what to do if we have addition with mixed numbers? As here, 1 1/3 plus 2 1/4. I would like to show you the method which is the best for me. But of course there are different methods. But whatever happens, if you do all the calculations correctly, you should receive the same answer. So my method is like that. Let's start with the whole numbers and just add them together. So let's do 1 plus 2, and this is 3. Now the second step is to focus on fractions. So let's do 1/3 plus 1/4. We know that 3 times 4 equals 12. So 12 is my new denominator. 3 times 4, so 1 times 4 equals 4. 4 times 3, so 1 times 3 as well, which is 3. So 12 here, 4 plus 3 equals 7. Okay, so I've got the whole number and I've got the fractional part. Now I need to join them together again. So let's write equals here, and then let's take 3 first as a whole number. Then let's take a fraction, which is 7/12. Keep it here. So the final answer is 3 7/12. How did I do this? I started with addition of whole numbers. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 goes here on the first position. Then I move to fractions. I do the addition with fractions, and the answer was 7/12. I copy the answer 7/12 behind 3. And my final answer is 3 7/12. Personally, I think that this is one of the easiest methods, and you can follow it in your calculations. Okay, now is your turn. One and 3/5 plus 4 4/7. Please pause the video here, have a go, try to do it independently, and then we can compare our answers. Okay, same thing. Let's start with whole numbers. 1 plus 4 equals 5. Then let's move to fractions. 3/5 plus 4/7. 5 times 7 is 35, so let's make 35 as our common denominator. 5 times 7 to get 35, so 3 times 7 to get 21. Then 7 times 5, so 4 times 5 as well. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, I've got 35 as a common denominator, so let's copy it. And then 21 plus 20 equals 41. Okay, so again, I received 41 over 35, so this is an improper fraction. So I need to change it or convert it into a mixed number. How many 35s into 41? Of course, 1. We keep 35 as a denominator, and then 35 times 1 equals 35. 41 minus 35 gives me 6. So 6 is the remainder here. Okay, so what happened now? I've got 5 here as a whole number, and then I've got 1 and 6 over 35. But this is a mixed number as well, containing 1 as a whole number. So firstly, I can do 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So let's write 6 here. And then copy the fractional part, which is 6 over 35. And 6 over 35 is the final answer. Hopefully, your answer was exactly the same. Thank you very much for your attention. If you like the lesson, please leave a comment or subscribe our channel. I hope to see you in more videos or lessons which are coming soon to our channel. Thank you very much. Bye.